let's start by talking about what you've got new here. I believe you got some new software offerings this time instead of hardware.
Yes, we actually, at this show, it's the first time for us to introduce a new software called Energy Pilot. It's on both platforms, Pyramax and Dynamo. So we actually learned that concept from the wonderful car technology.
Okay.
So there's a car technology called start-stop. So when you drive and when you see the red light, you step on brake, and when the car knows you are not letting it go, it knows that you are at red light. So the engine just stops suddenly. It goes to zero and it's silent all of a sudden. So and then when your foot let go of the brake, it knows the light is green. So the engine starts right away. So it's I don't know about the US, but in China, it's in Shanghai, especially in Shanghai. I think my car spent half of its time wasting the gas at the light and at the traffic. So we were thinking, so when I heard about this concept a few years ago, when it wasn't mature, we were thinking, can we do this on our oven? Because in Asia, even though everybody would say my company runs 24/7, but really when you visit them, you see that there's 30 minutes when there's that's change over time and the oven is burning for nothing.
Yeah.
So if you consider this as traffic light, we can do something about it. So with Energy Pilots, the customer can save energy when the oven is idle.
Okay.
Even when it's idle for 10 minutes or up to 1 hour, you can set up the way whatever way you want.
Okay.
Yes.
It sounds like a fabulous idea. Have you tested this to get a feel for the kind of percentage of energy saving customers are seeing?
Yeah. We first tested in our lab, and we also tested in our customers in China and in America, where our headquarters is, and to get the data. So we have 3 modes the customer can choose to get into: standby mode, sleep mode, and hibernate mode. In the same order you see on your computer.
Yeah.
So and then you can, for each mode, you can choose the interval until it starts, and there are 3 knobs that the customer can twist. One is the belt speed, one is the lower motor speed, and also the temperature setup. So you can basically in standby mode you can lower the conveyor speed and blow motor speed. So you can save energy to at 25%. And the ready time is only 1 minute.
I was going to ask that because the importance of the success of the stop-start thing is the immediate restart, so you can get away.
Yeah.
So just 1 minute to get back up to temperature?
Yes, in standby mode, it only takes 1 minute to get ready. And in sleep mode, because really in sleep mode, whatever mode, you can set up whatever way you want. But the way we test it at our customer side is to reduce the temperature of each zone to 150 centigrade, besides the conveyor speed and blow motor speed. So at 150 centigrade, we can reduce the power consumption by 40%, and it takes 10 minutes to get ready. So the customer can actually, because that's only one of the mode that we set up, and they can balance how much power consumption they want to reduce and how quickly they want oven to get ready, and find a balance, and really can just change a few numbers and let it run automatically.
Yeah, and the software that you're providing is available as an upgrade to existing customers that have got the Pyramax and Dynamo ovens?
It's standard on the new oven because it's embedded in our new Nepcon software. So all the buyers of the new ovens will get it for free. And then for the old users, they can upgrade it to the latest, the newest Nepcon, and get this Energy Pilot feature.
Okay. And half of the challenge there is the software that does that very cleverly, but also the oven's got to be able to change its thermal temperature quickly, not just for that, but for fast changeover. Is that something that's a feature of BTU ovens?
Yes. We actually think of that because for a lot of users, they would think, 10 minutes to get ready. We don't want that. We cannot. The oven because when the oven is not ready, it prevents the board from coming in. I cannot stack up all the board. So what our oven can do is that we can let our oven to talk to the SMIMA at printer, and so when the printer starts to get bored in again, which tells us, okay, this is a second batch of operations, and we started to get back. And when the board goes to the oven, it's ready already.
Yeah, which fits very much with the whole digital factory, Industry 4.0 kind of model that people are talking about.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, last question, Coco. What's happening currently in the South China market, and how's the show been this week for you?
In the South market, it's been because we are doing very well in China market. We look at the market in three big territories: East China and West China and South China. So Southern China has a lot of local manufacturers, and they are very price sensitive, but at the same time they also want good product, and the competition is fierce here.
Yeah.
So that's why last year we launched the Dynamo just for this market, and we penetrated this market very well with our Dynamo oven. So and then so far I think the show has been really good yesterday. So if you hear my throat, which is sore, you know how good it is.
Yeah.
Yes. We forecast that we will end up having very good potential leads, and most of our key account in this territory will be coming as well. So wonderful show.
Yeah. And your throat and the way your feet feel are a good indication of how the show's been. Coco, thanks very much for your time, and enjoy the rest of the event. Thank you.
Philip.